How to send BTC from Newton. Have you ever wanted to send Bitcoin BTC from Newton? If so, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you how to do it in just a few simple steps. Before we get started, I want to take a moment to talk about the importance of security when sending cryptocurrency. Bitcoin is a digital asset, and as such, it can be vulnerable to theft and fraud. It's important to take steps to protect your Bitcoin by using a strong password, enabling two-factor authentication, and only sending BTC to addresses that you trust. Now that we've covered the basics, let's get started. Step 1. Sign in to your Newton account. The first step is to sign into your Newton account. If you don't have an account, you can create one for free. Step 2. Select Send. Once you're signed in, click on the Send button. Step 3. Enter the recipient's address. Next, enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Make sure that the address is correct, as you won't be able to recover any BTC that you send to the wrong address. Step 4. Enter the amount of BTC you want to send. Enter the amount of BTC that you want to send. You can send any amount from 0.0001 BTC to your entire balance. Step 5. Review and confirm your transaction. Once you've entered the recipient's address and the amount of BTC you want to send, review your transaction and confirm it. Step 6. Wait for the transaction to be confirmed. Once you've confirmed your transaction, it will be sent to the Bitcoin network. It will take a few minutes for the transaction to be confirmed by the network. Once the transaction is confirmed, the BTC will be sent to the recipient's address. That's all there is to it. Sending BTC from Newton is easy and secure. I hope this video has been helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below. You can also send BTC from Newton to your own wallet. This is a great way to store your BTC or to transfer it to another exchange. You can also use Newton to buy and sell BTC. This is a great way to get started with Bitcoin investing. Newton is a safe and secure platform for buying, selling, and sending BTC. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, I hope you found this script helpful. If you have any questions, please feel free to leave a comment below.